As marketers, our worst nightmare is to spend a ton of time and resources making a video that no one ever watches. Maybe that's what's been keeping you from making YouTube videos, or simply that you don't know what videos to make. Building a profitable YouTube channel isn't complex, but you must have a strategy so that you make the right videos. You're in luck because I'm gonna share 4 of the most effective YouTube video strategies and topics for brands and businesses. And as a bonus, I'll share my 6-step process to making good YouTube videos. Hi everyone, I'm Carrie and welcome to YouTube Growth with Group Hugs, where I teach B2C and B2B marketers like you how to use YouTube to grow your brand's awareness, sales, and loyalty without relying on ads. To learn more about me and my experience, go check out our welcome video on the channel. YouTube is the world's 2nd largest search engine, so the first video strategy is to answer your customers' questions. When thinking of questions that your customers may have, start with your product and what problem you're solving for them. What questions do they have around your brand and what you sell? Hot tip, check your FAQs for video ideas. As an example, for our client Tushy, the leading bidet attachment brand in the US, we created videos on how to install a bidet, how to dry off after using a bidet, and how to choose a bidet, which were all common questions that customers had before they purchased. And by answering these questions with video, we were able to capture search traffic on YouTube with a high intention of buying. Also, YouTube videos show up on 1 of every 5 Google searches, so your video has a chance of showing up on the largest search engine in the world, bypassing other blogs and websites. To learn more about how YouTube and Google work together, check out our video, Why YouTube?, linked in the description. You should also create videos that answer questions around your industry or topic. To continue with the Tushy example, people who are interested in getting a bidet may have traveled abroad to Japan or have gut health issues. For example, in order for us to capture the ideal audience, we created videos on why Americans don't use bidets, irritable bowel syndrome, and how to treat hemorrhoids. You also might recognize the gal in these videos, and yes, that is me. And by being in the videos is how I learned and mastered every step of the YouTube process, including acting in videos. I'm gonna publish a video soon on YouTube video performance, so make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. The next video strategy you should use are tutorials, demos, how-tos, and case studies, aka show, don't tell. One of the most important KPIs to grow on YouTube is watch time, and tutorials and demos are a great way to gain a ton of watch time. If your product requires installation or a tutorial to use, create a step-by-step video that walks users through it. These types of videos always have the most watch time because it's important for viewers to watch the entire video. Send this video out to your customers when they get their product, or add a QR code on the packaging so that it opens up to YouTube. Having video resources improves your customer experience and gives you a way to support them without having to create another customer service ticket. Oh, and this is where it gets even better. Not only are tutorials useful for existing customers, but potential customers also watch tutorials when researching to better understand a product before buying. You can use how-to videos to showcase how easy it is to use your product or solution and gain new customers while gaining watch time. Whether you're a B2B software company or a direct-to-consumer brand, it's low-hanging fruit to create video demos, how-tos, and new feature videos to help your existing and potential customers understand your product. For example, our client Fuse Lenses makes affordable replacement lenses for name brand sunglasses. We created a video demonstrating how easy it is to replace lenses step by step. Then, in the video, viewers learned that Fuse had over 20 lens options, including mirrored, prescription, and polarized, which solves their problem, shows them how easy it was, and potentially upsells them to spend more on polarized or prescription. YouTube is the most used social media platform in the US and 2nd in the world. So get to making your videos. Your audience is on YouTube and searching for you. If you're curious about the demographics in the US that use YouTube, check out the video that I mentioned earlier, Why YouTube? The next video strategy is to turn your most successful blogs into videos. If you have a blog, you already have a great starting point for your YouTube video scripts. Best case scenario, you have a few video scripts pretty much written for you already. Publishing blogs to rank on Google is analogous to publishing YouTube videos to rank on YouTube. Since they're both search engines powered by the same company, Google and YouTube SEO is similar to keywords and blogs helping you rank on Google. The keywords in your video and channel help you rank on YouTube. I'll make a video on YouTube SEO for businesses and brands soon, so subscribe and stay tuned. With your blog content, first rework it into a video script format and make it sound like how a human would talk. Hot tip, you may think that you're good at winging content, but if you're human like me, you forget things. So write a script or at minimum, an outline. Another hot tip, embedding your videos on your site helps your video rank higher on Google. So once you've published your video, embed it on your blog. And now when viewers come to your blog, they have a choice of watching a video or reading. Instead of only sending blogs in your email newsletters, feature your videos because it's the most engaging type of content. And maybe they'll even share it with their friends. Anything is possible and probable. If you're loving these strategies so far, please show this video some love with a thumbs up. All right, we're all busy people, moving on. Your brand and business likely have competitors or options that your customers can choose between. Pros and cons videos and versus videos help viewers figure out what to buy when they're researching. This viewer is your ideal buying audience, and if you capture them at this stage of their research on YouTube, where the competition is super low, they are already on the hook and are ready to buy. Help them understand the choices they need to make, aka educate versus only selling in a video. Create versus videos when you're comparing your product against competitors. Showcase your difference and why they should choose you. Something to note is that while it's tempting to overly hype your product, always be honest in your comparisons because the internet will call you out. Remember, authenticity goes a long way with modern consumers. With pros and cons videos, you can show the benefits that your future customers can expect with your solution versus without you. You obviously believe that there's a benefit to what you're selling, but be genuine and tap into the pain points and problems you're solving for your customer. For example, for our client Pivot Energy, we make videos on pros and cons of solar, bifacial versus monofacial solar panels, and what to expect with Pivot Energy, which all helps their future clients understand their choices and what they can expect to get. When you capture them when they're learning and gain their trust, then you have a customer for life. Yay! That's all the strategies I have time for today, but before jumping in and making your videos, here are a few tips and tricks that can help you make the best YouTube video. All right, number 1. Make sure your audience is actually searching for your content. Check in with your Google keywords, look at existing YouTube videos, check Google Trends and other search traffic tools. Step 2, always write an engaging script. I know that this may seem like an extra step, but scripting your videos will make sure that you're communicating your points effectively and not rambling on. You want your videos to be engaging, so read it out loud to a friend or colleague to check that your audience won't get bored and click away. Do your research and make sure that you're honest. Again, the internet will call you out. Number 3, when you're filming, make sure that you have good lighting, sound, and resolution. And number 4, when you're editing your video, make sure that it looks professional and is engaging. People have little patience and short attention spans, so if your audience tunes out early, they'll click out of your video. Number 5, when you publish, you must have all of the right SEO in order for your video to be found and served on YouTube. And lastly, number 6, promote your video. And you can easily turn one great YouTube video into multiple pieces of content to be used in email marketing, your other socials, and your website. I'll be teaching all of these topics on the channel, so subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. If you don't have time or resources to make videos in-house and want to partner with Group Hugs to build your channel for you, book a discovery call with me or shoot me an email. Both links are in the description. Our team at Group Hugs YouTube Growth Agency are YouTube experts, and we've helped brands across B2C and B2B industries build successful YouTube channels. Go to grouphugs.co to learn more. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we invite you to share it with your peers. Not enough brands understand the power of YouTube for business, so let's share the love. All right, well, that's all for today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.